Everyone tells you that real estate is the safest investment. Safe as houses, right? But they are confusing value with liquidity. In a normal market, you can sell a house in 30 days, but we aren't heading into a normal market. In a recession, the housing market doesn't just drop, it freezes. Today, we're looking at the one risk real estate investors ignore until it's too late: the liquidity trap. And we're comparing it to the only asset that gets more liquid when the economy crashes. When people talk about real estate crashing, they look at market price charts which highlight trends. They say, "Oh, my house lost 20% of its value." That is a lie. The price trend charts only tracks the houses that actually sold. In 2008, millions of people didn't lose 20%. They lost 100% of their liquidity. They listed their homes and nobody came. Zero offers. Your house might be worth $500,000 on Zillow. But if the bank stops lending and buyers disappear, what is it worth today? It's worth zero until the market unfreezes. This is where the trap snaps shut. When you can't sell an asset, you have to hold it. With real estate, holding is expensive. Property taxes must be paid. Insurance, rising every year. Maintenance, the roof still leaks. Mortgage interest. Even if the house sits empty, it eats your cash. It is a hungry liability. Now look at gold. If the market crashes, what is the holding cost of a gold coin in your safe? Zero. What is the property tax on gold? Zero. You can sit on gold for 5 years of a recession, and it costs you nothing. But here is the most important part: the exit. In a financial crisis, cash becomes king. Banks tighten up. You might need $50,000 to cover your business or living expenses. You can liquidate gold anywhere in the world, instantly. A coin dealer in London, a refiner in Switzerland, a shop in Texas, they will all hand you cash on the spot. The spot price of gold isn't theoretical. It is a guaranteed bid. Try getting $50,000 out of your house when the market is frozen. You can't sell a bathroom. You can't sell the front porch. You have to sell the whole thing or nothing. I'm not saying don't own real estate. You need a place to live. But don't confuse a home with a crisis hedge. Real estate is a growth asset for good times. Gold is a liquidity asset for bad times. When the market freezes, you don't want to be the one stuck holding the keys. For more data-driven market reports and financial analysis, subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for the next update. We are not a licensed financial advisor. The information in this video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and consult a qualified advisor before making investment decisions.